Sir, kung sa Expander, ano mas pipiliin mo? GLS o Expander Cross? Tara, pag-usapan natin. So obviously, Expander has been one of the most popular family cars here in the Philippines. It's one of the best. Subok na talaga. And that is why, no wonder, still a lot of people are considering to buy it. And if you're someone who wants to consider the higher variants, obviously GLS and Cross has been really one of the most challenging choices ever. So the GLS variant has all of the things that you're gonna need for an Expander, and the major difference na talaga with the Cross is mostly yung kanyang aesthetics and all of the other things like the steering wheel of Montero. So if ako lang pipilian, guys, I'll really definitely, if I have the money, I'll be going for the Cross, because GLS, I mean the Expander has been around for years now and I want that newer look. So for more information about Expander Cross or GLS, go ahead to my channel, watch my playlist. See you there.